Hi everybody, this is Mubashar Mughal and the one liner of this session is relationship. First of all, we have to know about what is relationship, why relationship is so important for us, how we can build a strong and a healthy relationship with our friends, with our family, with our partner or anything else. Now what is the relationship? Relationship is a way. Relationship is a way in which two or more objects, concepts and the people are connected or state of being connected. Or we can say that when two or more peoples or objects behave towards each other, it means that they are in a relationship. We can also define our relationship with our own thinking, with our own words. We can say anything, but main purpose of relationship is to be happy, to satisfied with relationship. There are a lot of types of relationship. I will talk about 7 types of relationship. Now what is the first relationship? First and the most important relationship is the relationship with our God, God's relationship, or you can say that relationship with nature. And this is the basic relationship which we have with our Allah, with our God, and we cannot live without this relation. We all know that this is a natural process. This is a natural process that we have to accept the reality of this universe, that there is someone who operates this. We have to accept the laws of this universe. This is also a reality, and this is a relationship between you and your God, between you and your nature. We do not need to build it. It is by nature that we are in relationship. Just we have to accept it. Build a strong relationship with our Allah, with this universe. We have to understand ourselves. And what is the next type of relationship? Self relationship. Now what is the self relationship? Self relationship is that you know who you are, what are your likes, dislikes, and what is your opinion towards anything, and what you like about yourself, who you want to become. You have to respect yourself first. You have to love yourself first. This is the self relationship. First of all, you have to discover, and if you have discovered yourself, it means that you know who you are and you are in a good relationship with yourself. And if you are a good relationship with yourself, it means that you also have a good relationship with nature, with the universe, with your Allah, with your God. And what is the third type of relationship? The third type of relationship is relationship with our families, or you can say that family relationship or blood relationship. I am talking about the relationship with our parents, with our children. This is another relationship. We do not need to build it. It is by nature that we are in a relationship, and it is a natural process. We cannot avoid this. We just have to accept it. We just have to give the respect and love to that relationship so that we can live a perfect life. We do not need to do some efforts to maintain it. We just have to be simple and be loving to our parents, to ourselves. And the fourth relationship is friendship, or you can say that relationship with friends, or you can say that friends relationship. Now this is also important part of our life. We all need friends to whom we can share our ideas, our problems, and we can enjoy with friends. This is the important part of our life. And the fifth type of relationship is professional relationship. Now this is very important, that if you are a teacher, if you are a businessman, if you are a doctor or engineer or anything, you must have to build a strong relationship with your colleagues, with your partners. You can say that it is a work relationship, but it's important to have this relationship with businessman and the other person. That was the fifth relationship that we have. The sixth relationship is social relationship. This is also very important part of relationship. We all need a social environment. We all need a community. We all need the society in which we can live, in which we can express our ideas. We can help other people, and we also need some help from the community, from the society. So we must have to build a strong social relationship. So the last and the important part of relationship or type of relationship is romantic relationship. We all know about the romantic relationship. Relationship with your wife, relationship with your partner, relationship relationship with your girlfriend. This is the most important part of a relationship. The mostly people will talk about this relationship. State of being connected with your wife, the state of being connected with your partner, the state of being connected to your girlfriend. This is called a romantic relationship, and we all need a good relationship with our partner. Now, how we can build a good relationship, or if we are in good relationship, how we can make it strong and a healthy relationship. The more difficult thing in this universe is to understand other person. The first thing is that we have to understand our partner, we have to give the respect, and we have to listen opinions and ideas of our partner. If we are agree to listen her opinion, it means that we can easily build a good relationship. And the most important, self-love. Now what is self-love? If we are not satisfying with ourselves, we can't satisfy the other person. First we have to love ourselves, and then we have to love to our partner, so that we build a good relationship. Now what is the second thing? And second thing is trust. And to build a trust, we must need a third thing. If you are honest with your partner, it means you can build a good relationship or a good trust. If you are not lying, it means that you are honest to each other. And what is the fourth thing? Fourth thing is spend more time with your partner. At number 5, we have to forgive. 6th point is give space to your partner. 7th thing is emotional support. If you are sharing your interests, your feelings to your partner, and you are allow your partner to share something with you, it means that you are building a good emotional relationship. 8th point is tell your partner what you like. You must have to tell your partner or teach your partner that what are your likes, what are your dislikes. 9th point is do always something special for your partner. And the final point to build a good relationship is commitment. A great relationship is about two things. First, to find similarities. Second, to respect the differences. The important thing is to respect each other's opinion and ideas. Good communication is a big thing to solve the problem. So we have to solve our problems with communication. If you have a great communication with your partner, it means that you can solve any problem. It is easy to play with relationships, but we all know that nothing is more important than any relationship. So we have to accept, we have to respect our relationships, so that we can build a new and a healthy and a good relationship with our family, with our God, with our self, and with our friends, with social relationship, with our partner, with emotionally or romantic relationship. We know that it is very difficult to build a strong and a healthy relationship, but important thing is that if we are willing to do this, we can easily do that. This is how you can build a good relationship, and I hope you will learn a lot from this session. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.